Today we are unboxing the docking drawer blade series outlet system that we like to use here at J Eberle Woodworking. When you open the package, right on the top is the installation instructions. These installation instructions are awesome because it comes with a cutout template for your drawer box, so there's no guesswork on how big to make the cutout. Also on the front of the installation instructions are different drawer box options that you might be working with and how to use the cutout system for that. On the reverse side of the installation instructions, we have a step-by-step instructions on how to install the actual hardware to your drawer box as well as the back of the cabinet. Also, we have the reverse side of the cutout template for your drawer box. Moving on to the package, we have the faceplate for the outlet system, and this will cover your cutout in the back of the drawer box when you get the actual hardware fully installed into your cabinet. Next in the package, we have the actual blade series outlet system itself. And when I get this cord out, I will show you the length of cord, because I think they do a great job at giving you plenty of cord to work with. And it really just allows you to work with many different outlet placements that you might have inside your cabinet box. Also, this blade series outlet system comes with this awesome control arm that keeps the cord out of the way from the back of the cabinet and really just makes sure that drawer can close efficiently every single time. And in the end, you put that faceplate right back onto the top of the outlet cover, and it covers up the cutout that you had. It just makes it look with a nice finished look.